Hi, this is Imtiaz. This is lesson number 3. Today I'm going to talk about the test plan. So I'll I'm going to show a template as well. The test plan, how it look. So a test plan is a document. This test plan document it will be prepared by the test testing team manager or QA manager, or sometimes test lead will prepare. So this document it contains the detailed description about the testing strategy test strategy, and it also defines the objective. What is the objective of this project? For what purpose we are what is the objective of the project? For example, if you go for the uh, Gmail project, so what is the objective? The Gmail project is like the inbox, login, compose, contacts. So that is the objective of the Gmail project. So similarly, what is the objective of your project? That you will define in the objective. The scope, which are the functionalities you are going to test, which are the which are the functional which you are not going to test, that also you have to define. And the estimation. So estimation means how many members, so how much time it will do, and it also define the schedules. Schedule nothing but when we are going to start, when we are going to start the project, when we are going to test in the QA environment, when we are going to test the when we are going to test in the staging environment, and what are the deliverables. Deliverables nothing but a number of functionalities, and the resources, and the resources nothing but a people who work in this project, testing project. So so the detail about that will define in the test plan. So I'll take, I have one exam on one document, uh, which is which define the detail about the test plan. So if you see this document, first it will be the introduction. So introduction of the project, like we'll give the introduction of the project. For example, if you take the example of Gmail, so Gmail project, why we are doing, what is the purpose. So that is the introduction. You'll give the about your project. And the second thing is objective. So what is the thing we are going to achieve in this project? For example, if you take the Gmail project, so initially when the Gmail Google team they started, so they might have put some in the release one, they might have put some of the functionalities. So inbox, login, register, forget password, all those things you have to define in the objective. And the test strategy nothing but uh, how you are going to test. Like in the QA environment, you will test as a sprints. In the staging, you are going to test the complete regression. So if you see in the test strategy, a couple of things are there here. Purpose for this level of test: item to be tested, features to be tested, features not to be tested, management and technical approach. How is your approach? Like what first, which function you will test? Individual roles, like who is going to do what. QA, junior QA, what he is going to do, senior QA, what he is going to do. All those things you will define in the strategy. If you see the scope nothing but a what is the scope of this project. In in the real world, the projects will be delivered in a form of release 1, release 2, release 3. In release 1, you may take some of the functionalities, so that is a scope. So for example, if you take the Gmail, inbox, compose, login, forget password, these are the 4 functionalities or 5 functionalities you are going to test. That is a scope. uh, Now If you see the test items nothing but to test the application. What are the things you require? Requirement specification and design specification. Requirement specification nothing but uh, the requirement. What is the requirement of the client? Design specification. After you get the requirement, the technical team will design. After that, you'll write a user guide, operation guide, installation guide, features, and the defects and the verification validation. This is what this is the items in the testing item. For example, features nothing but which what are the features we are going to test. Defects nothing but when you find the defects, how is the approach, how you are going to fix the defects. Verification nothing but a validation, checking, verification, validation, all are same. And project modules, how many modules are there? You are going to define the number of modules. For example, if you take a Gmail, you might have take the inbox as one module, Compobox as one module, and contact as one module. Like that, you are going to take the module. Features to be tested, features not to be tested. In this release, what are the features you are going to test, and which features which you are not going to test, that also you are going to define. And approach, what is approach? There are different types of approach for testing. Agile methodology, and there is a waterfall methodology. There are different approaches are there. And also component testing, integration testing, conversion. So all this I'm going to cover in the coming session. So I just want to go through the um, test plan, what it contains, how it will be, what are the what are the sections it contains. So pass and fail criteria, testing process, testing deliverables, testing tasks, responsibilities, resources that means the people who work, schedules, environment requirement. There will be different environments. It was hardware or software. Which how many laptops, how many desktop you required, software, which are the software you need to you required while testing. And the risk and assumption. For example, you have to consider the risk as well, because uh, sorry, uh, if something happen, floods or earthquakes, something happen, how you are going to continue the project, that also you are going to um, put in the risk. So this is all about the test plan. Hope you understood all these things. So thank you, thanks for watching. In the next session I'm going to talk about the test case. Thank you.